Other plans in place as the tornado watch remains in effect as well.
The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Washington County, Northwestern Marshall County, and Northeastern Kansas until 5:30 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles east of Hollenberg, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hanover, Oketo, Hollenberg, and Bremen. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for north central and northeastern Kansas.